Hey everybody. Well, I am definitely checking out Christina's Room to Go logos, and I definitely like them. I like logo number one as far as the color. It looks fun and friendly. Um, I definitely like the contrast and how everything works. The movement and flow works really good. Um, the one below it doesn't seem as busy. It has a lot of energy. Um, So definitely, I like how that goes. I wonder if maybe instead of having the circle on back of the card, I wonder if you could just do a series of dots, something different. That's just a thought for that. Um, Concept logo number two, it looks great. A lot of energy. Um, Makes me think of a puzzle piece. I definitely like that. I love the rhythm and contrast of how that works, and how you juxtapose and bring everything together. There's a really nice flow with that I enjoy. Um, I wonder how that would look in a motion graphic. I don't know. Maybe something in After Effects to just see some movement and flow. But I definitely like that. That was really cool. Number three, let's see. What do I like about that? They're both great. It kind of makes me think of like some furniture, the way you kind of have the circles cut in half like that. So I definitely think that's pretty cool. Um, I don't know. Like, I wonder. Hmm, what do I wonder about this one? I don't know. I just wonder how some different movement with that would look. But altogether, all three of your logos look great. You're doing some amazing work, and the applications with your logo looks amazing. And I definitely love the texture with this. It looks very nice. So keep up the great work, and just keep rocking out with all your great work.